So now we're on to the seals. Seals are 6120. There's all the information on it. SKF, oil seal, little sealy. So I'm using a little bit of Lucas Red and Tacky. Supposed to be good for water or something. Yeah, excellent water resistance. Seems to be the death of everything, so. Just gonna put a little bit of looby. You put your seal in, and lubed it up, pushed it in. Just gonna get a little love tapperoni with the hammer. 16 mil socket. And there you go. And there's the seal. See, I'm not exactly sure if there's supposed to be seals on here because I never took any out. But I figured it's better than not having any seals. If there, worst case scenario, I will just shave down the little bushing that goes in here to make it fit with the bush with the seal. But I don't know. I think it's gonna be much better with having a seal in there. So anyhow, so there's the seals are in there. Much better than they looked. So the last thing you gotta do here is put the shafts in. I just cleaned it up with a wire wheel. Just give it some lubage. Leave her up nice. Set it there for now. Some lube in the bearings. Put some lube up in there. Lube it up. Sorry if you can hear all these little buggers in the background. Drive me nuts. And then just basically take your shaft, get her started. Might be easier said than done with the seals. I don't know if these are going to work with this shaft. So I just learned something. You're gonna have to put the bushing in after because I just messed this one up. Awesome. Let's see it pushed out. I might be able to fix it actually. Now I gotta take that bushing out, which sucks. Anyhow, so I have to replace that seal. Awesome. Maybe you'll see here we got the bushings in, shaft in. So this part is pretty much ready to go on the quad. Just waiting to get these bushings in. Come on, Polaris. So I've learned my lesson. For the rest of these, I'm only putting the seal on one side for now until I put the shafts in. Lesson learned. We got lots of them. Got extras. We got the extra ones, so we're good.